Because here's a secret. A narcissist's life is self-centered. And that's just something that they bestowed upon themselves. They've just woken up one day and decided their place is in the center of the universe, and all others around them must bow to their whims. So ask yourself, do you have to bow? Do you really? All that narcissistic negativity and doubt they've been throwing your way has everything to do with the incredible person that you're becoming. And of course they hate it. Of course they do. It's to be expected. How could they not hate it? They want their narcissistic supply. They want their narcissistic supply. Narcissistic supply is like their candy, and they're in the candy aisle, and they want candy, 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 gimme, 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 gimme. No. I'm not giving you a narcissistic supply. And I'm not giving you your candy. Now, in the past, I can admit that, I did carry the burden of everyone else's words and beliefs just on my own shoulders. I take everything that was said to heart. Any kind of judgment, any kind of beliefs. I felt like I had to please everyone, and I believed all the things that other people were saying about me. Once I started loving myself and standing firm with my boundaries, something amazing happened. I realized that any person, any narcissist who couldn't rise to the occasion, who can't respect my boundaries or honor my feelings or my thoughts, well, that's actually on them. So, F them.